Let's the contest begin! Hello chef! 皆さんこんにちは、シェフタキです。I've got a big announcement from Japan for you all chef today. Yes! They're having Japanese cuisine skills contest, Washoku World Challenge. Washoku World Challenge is a Japanese cuisine contest organized by the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fishery of Japan for non-Japanese nationality chefs. Even though we are part, they are chefs working and learning Japanese cuisine in the Middle East right now, which is very cool to think about. So Japanese government to do something special to bring us all together, and I'm very excited to share this opportunity with you. I hope you are up for the challenge. So, are you chefs ready to hear the rules? The theme of the contest is My Japanese Cuisine. Chef, free to make whatever two recipes you want as long as it has something to be with Japanese cuisine. Think of it as a bit of project for all of us working on over a month. Procedure: 3 things that you need to know about the challenge. The contest has 2 stages. The first stage is paper screening. 15 contests who pass the first stage will proceed to the second stage, video screening, recording yourself on video. Then 6 contestants from the 15 will be chosen as the finalists. Prizes: organizer provides all participants with special videos to learn the Japanese cuisine. To the 50 contestants, they will be delivered a special kit to learn about Japanese cuisine at home. To the 6 contestants, they offer the opportunity to take a part in private online lecture by a top Japanese chef. Personalized feedback on. Awesome! Schedule: Monday, October 5th is the deadline. Your chef better get working. All chefs have to remember today is the contest deadline is Monday, October 5th. So got working on your application. Japanese government is so excited to see them. You got everything? Did I explain everything? I hope your chef participates in the contest. Please get creative and challenge yourselves. So this is your chance. Okay? So let's the contest begin.